What's up guys, this is Shan Heather and in this video we are going to have a detailed review of the soundcore Sleep A20 earbuds. So we will talk about its design, features, build quality, audio quality, battery life, all of its pros and cons while performing a quick unboxing as well. So here we go. Talking about the design and build quality, the Sleep A20 are pretty small in size as you can see here. Because of the tiny size, the Sleep A20 fits perfectly in the ear and provides nice ambient sound isolation to your ears. Because of the 3D ergonomic design, the Sleep A20 fits perfectly in ear as it matches with the shape of the human ears. The material used is very soft, lightweight. The same goes with the ear tips as well as these ear rings we got here, and because of the tiny size and the soft lighted material used in the construction of Sleep A20, it applies no pressure at all while sleeping on your sides. Once putting them in my ears, there was not a single moment when my sleep was disturbed because of these earbuds in my ear, and that's quite impressive for sure. It comes with 3 different size of ear rings, 4 different size of sealed ear tips, and 3 sets of breathable ear tips as well that provides more airflow to your ears but does not help in reducing the noise. But the sealed ear tips provide a very nice passive noise cancellation when you use them with Sleep A20. The ear rings come with the soundcore's special ear ring design that distributes the pressure evenly in your ears to avoid any discomfort. In the soundcore application, you can set the timer for the bedtime and the alarm that will send you a reminder to go to the bed and wake up at your preferred time. In the playback setting, you can select for how long you would like the audio to be played when you are going to the bed. You can select either all night long or you can select any duration based on your preference from half an hour to 8 hours. In the Bluetooth mode, the Sleep A20 will work as a regular Bluetooth earbuds, but if you select the sleep mode, then you will get some additional options and settings like the smart volume that automatically adjusts the volume when you are sleeping. Using the Sleep A20 earbuds, you get the option to change the volume of your earbuds. If you go to the sounds tab, here you get the option to select the ambient sound. 2 of them are pre-installed, you can download even more. And the best part is that if you want, you can even create your own ambient sound to play on your Sleep A20 when you are sleeping. In the settings, you can select which mode you would like to use by default. Once you open the case, whether the Bluetooth mode or the sleep mode, you can also customize the commands on left and right earbuds. In the sound effects, you can select the equalizer preset and you can even create your custom equalizer if you are not happy with any of these default soundcore equalizers we got here. You can also use Find Device to play some high-pitched sound on your Sleep A20 to locate them if they are lost. And then we got the option to select the prompt tone for many different kinds of actions. We got the option for the widget, and you can even update the software of your Sleep A20 with the help of the soundcore application. If you go to the sleep data tab, here you can have a look on all of your sleeping sessions where you will get in-depth information for each of them, like how many times you rolled over on the bed, for how much percentage you were sleeping on your side. So this is going to be quite helpful if you want to track and find your sleeping pattern and if you would like to make any improvement in that. And the good part is that it also records the napping sessions as well, so you won't miss any information regarding your sleeping data while using the soundcore Sleep A20. The masking sounds provide a nice virtual ambience to hide the real life sound, contributing in your nice sleep. The best part is that you can use the Sleep A20 to listen the masking sounds without connecting your earbuds to your smartphone via Bluetooth. Considering the small size of the earbuds, the charging case is pretty huge, but it is also quite lightweight. We got these LED lights here, a USB Type-C port on the back along with the reset button, and the magnet provided on the case is very strong and durable. As you can see here, does not matter how violently I'm shaking it, the earbuds won't fall out of the case. The battery life is also pretty impressive. In the sleep mode, you get around 14 hours of battery life and 10 hours of battery life in Bluetooth mode once you charge the battery, and with the help of the case, you can charge the battery up to 5 more times. So once the case and Sleep A20 are fully charged, you will get around 70 hours of battery life in the sleep mode and 50 hours of battery life in Bluetooth mode. Talking about the audio quality, the performance of Sleep A20 is quite satisfactory. Even though it is not designed to listen music, the audio output is quite nice with good amount of bass, clean vocals and distinguished mids and highs. And once again, if you want, you can make whatever changes in the audio output with the help of the preset equalizers, or as you know, you can create custom equalizers as well. And in the Bluetooth mode, you can use the streaming services like the YouTube, Spotify, etc. to create and curate your sleeping playlist to have a nice sleep with your preferred music. When it comes to unboxing, inside the retail box you will find the Sleep A20 earbuds along with its case, some quick start guide, user manuals, a USB Type-C cable to charge the case, and some silicone ear tips and ear rings as well. Overall, the soundcore Sleep A20 is one of the best sleeping earbuds as it comes with pressureless design for side sleepers, causing no discomfort or disturbance to your sleep. It comes with 4-point masking system with the help of twin seal ear tips, the smart volume control as well as the noise masking sounds. You can even curate your sleep playlist, and the battery life is pretty amazing in both Bluetooth and sleep mode. With the help of the MEMS sensor, the Sleep A20 provides in-depth information regarding your sleep duration, sleep quality as well as the sleeping position. You can create your own custom ambient sound and use the Sleep A20 as your personal alarm with personal custom ringtones. If you are interested in buying the soundcore Sleep A20, then I have shared the link in the description of this video, so do not forget to check it out. And if you enjoyed watching this video, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and I will see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.